clotting. 2.3% of patients reported joint pain.
Prescription power, proven to work. Now with a new indication. Ask your doctor about Vascepa.
In Kansas, tornadoes grow like weeds, big ones.
Kansas is uniquely situated in the traditional tornado alley.
You get moist air out of the Gulf, you get dry air from the plains, and you get cold air from the north.
Some of the most violent storms on Earth are located in the central plains of the United States.
On May 28, 2013, a couple encounters one of these violent Kansas storms about 100 miles north of Wichita.
And they look out the window, and there is this huge tornado off to the right of the car. We can see the wedge shape there.
Right there. Look at the freaking clouds above us.
We're in 80-mile-an-hour wind from here.
Let's get out of here.
Oh my gosh, we are in a tornado right now. Yeah!
I think they made what could have been a deadly mistake here, and you might get killed by driving into the tornado.
The man is driving and giddy with excitement